A factory reset returns your HP printer to its original out-of-the-box state, erasing all custom settings, network configurations, and stored documents. This is crucial for troubleshooting persistent problems like connectivity issues, such as error code 0xC4E8225, firmware glitches, or performance lags caused by corrupted data. Consider a reset if basic troubleshooting steps, like restarting the printer or updating drivers, haven't worked. It's also a good idea before selling or giving away your printer to protect your personal information. The reset method varies depending on your HP printer model. For touchscreen models like the HP NV6000 series, navigate to Setup, then restore factory defaults. For button-based models like the HP DeskJet 2700, press and hold the power button for 30 to 60 seconds until the printer reboots. Alternatively, use the HP Smart App or HP Support Assistant for guided resets, which often include diagnostic checks and firmware updates. Ensure your printer is powered on and connected to the network if using the app. Back up any critical data, as resets are irreversible. Be aware that resets may require reinstalling drivers and could potentially void warranties if performed improperly. Always check for firmware updates post-reset at hp.com/support to prevent recurrence of issues.